Welcome to the topic on trends. It is about clover lawn. For generations, a lush green lawn has been a symbol of pride for homeowners. It's a place where families gather, children play, and neighbors admire. The traditional lawn has long been a staple of suburban life, representing not just beauty, but also a sense of accomplishment and care. We invest time, money, and resources into maintaining that perfect carpet of grass. From early morning watering sessions to weekend mowing marathons, the upkeep of a traditional lawn can be both time-consuming and costly. Fertilizers, pesticides, and constant watering are just a few of the many requirements to keep that green expanse looking its best. But what if there was a more sustainable and equally beautiful alternative? Imagine a lawn that not only looks great, but also requires less effort and fewer resources to maintain. This is where clover lawns come into the picture, offering a fresh perspective on what a lawn can be. In recent years, clover lawns have emerged as a popular trend, challenging the conventional notion of what a lawn should be. Clover, once considered a weed, is now being embraced for its many benefits. It grows quickly, covers ground efficiently, and provides a lush green appearance that rivals traditional grass. Clover lawns offer a unique blend of beauty and practicality. The small, delicate flowers add a touch of charm, while the dense foliage creates a soft, inviting surface. Plus, clover is naturally resistant to pests and diseases, reducing the need for chemical treatments. They require less maintenance, thrive in various climates, and benefit the environment. Clover is drought tolerant, meaning it needs less water than traditional grass. It also enriches the soil with nitrogen, promoting healthier plant growth without the need for synthetic fertilizers. Whether you're seeking a low-maintenance alternative to traditional grass or simply want to make your yard more eco-friendly, clover lawns are worth considering. They offer a sustainable solution that aligns with modern environmental values, providing a beautiful, functional space for you and your family to enjoy. So, the next time you think about lawn care, consider the benefits of clover and how it can transform your outdoor space. Clover, a member of the legume family, has long been valued for its nitrogen-fixing properties. This unique ability allows clover to convert atmospheric nitrogen into a form that plants can use, enriching the soil naturally. Farmers and gardeners alike have relied on clover for centuries to maintain soil fertility without the need for synthetic fertilizers. It's often used as a cover crop to improve soil health in agriculture. By planting clover between crop cycles, farmers can prevent soil erosion, suppress weeds, and enhance the organic matter in the soil. This practice not only boosts the yield of subsequent crops, but also promotes sustainable farming methods that are kinder to the environment. But clover's benefits extend far beyond the farm. In home gardens and urban settings, clover is becoming increasingly popular for its versatility and low maintenance. It thrives in a variety of conditions, from full sun to partial shade, and requires less water than traditional grass, making it an eco-friendly choice for homeowners. As a lawn alternative, clover offers a soft, verdant ground cover that rivals the beauty of traditional grass. Its dense growth habit helps to outcompete weeds, reducing the need for herbicides. Plus, clover stays green even during dry spells, providing a lush, vibrant lawn throughout the year. Clover lawns are visually appealing, with delicate flowers that bloom throughout the warmer months. These tiny blossoms add a touch of charm and elegance to any landscape, creating a picturesque scene that changes with the seasons. These flowers attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, adding life and color to your yard. By supporting these essential insects, clover lawns contribute to the health of local ecosystems, promoting biodiversity and helping to sustain the food chain. Unlike grass, which can look monotonous, clover provides a textured, visually interesting lawn that enhances the overall aesthetic of your outdoor space. The varied shades of green and the unique leaf patterns create a dynamic and engaging landscape that is both beautiful and functional. Whether you're looking to reduce your environmental footprint or simply want a stunning yard, clover is a fantastic choice. One of the most significant advantages of clover lawns is their low-maintenance nature. Traditional grass lawns require frequent mowing, watering, and fertilizing. Clover, on the other hand, thrives with minimal intervention. Most clover varieties only need to be mowed a few times per year, saving you time and effort. Clover's nitrogen-fixing ability means it naturally fertilizes itself, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. This benefits both the environment and your wallet. Clover is also drought-tolerant, requiring less frequent watering than thirsty grass lawns. This makes clover an excellent choice for water-conscious homeowners, especially in areas prone to drought. In an era of declining pollinator populations, creating pollinator-friendly gardens is more important than ever. Clover lawns are a haven for bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects. The nectar-rich flowers provide a valuable food source, supporting these essential creatures. By choosing a clover lawn, you're not just creating a beautiful space for yourself, but also contributing to the health of the ecosystem. Pollinators are crucial for the reproduction of many plants, including fruits, vegetables, and wildflowers. By supporting pollinators, you're helping to ensure the biodiversity and resilience of our natural world. Section 5. Thriving in Canada's diverse climate. Canada's climate varies significantly from coast to coast, with hot, humid summers in some regions and harsh, snowy winters in others. Clover's adaptability makes it an excellent choice for Canadian lawns. It can tolerate a wide range of temperatures and growing conditions. Clover is surprisingly cold-hardy, surviving even the coldest Canadian winters. It's also heat and drought-tolerant, thriving in the warm summers experienced in many parts of the country. This adaptability makes clover an ideal choice for Canadian homeowners seeking a low-maintenance and climate-resilient lawn. Section 6. Water-wise and earth-friendly. Water conservation is a growing concern in many parts of the world, including Canada. Traditional grass lawns require significant amounts of water, especially during the hot summer months. Clover, with its deep roots and drought-tolerant nature, requires far less watering than grass. By choosing a clover lawn, you're reducing your water consumption and lowering your environmental impact. This is especially important in areas experiencing water restrictions or drought conditions. Clover lawns also help to improve soil health by fixing nitrogen, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers that can pollute waterways. Section 7. The charm of clover. Beyond its practical benefits, clover also holds a certain charm. Its presence in our gardens and lawns brings a sense of nostalgia and simplicity, reminding us of the beauty in nature's small wonders. For generations, children have delighted in searching for four-leaf clovers, believed to bring good luck. This timeless activity not only entertains, but also fosters a connection to the natural world, encouraging curiosity and exploration. A clover lawn provides endless opportunities for this whimsical pastime, connecting us to nature and sparking joy. Families can gather, play, and relax, creating cherished memories in a serene and inviting environment. The delicate white or pink clover flowers add a touch of whimsy and charm to any outdoor space. Their gentle sway in the breeze creates a calming effect, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your garden. Unlike the uniform green of a grass lawn, a clover lawn offers a more natural, textured look. The varied shades of green and the unique textures of clover leaves create a visually appealing landscape that stands out. This can create a more inviting and relaxing atmosphere in your yard, perfect for enjoying warm summer evenings. Whether it's a family gathering, a quiet moment of reflection, or a friendly get-together, a clover lawn sets the stage for countless enjoyable experiences. Section 8. Finding four-leaf clovers. The elusive four-leaf clover, a symbol of good luck, is a rare genetic mutation of the common three-leaf clover. While the exact odds of finding one are unknown, some estimates suggest it's about 1 in 10,000. With a clover lawn, your chances of finding this lucky charm increase significantly. Encourage your children or grandchildren to join in the fun of searching for four-leaf clovers. It's a wonderful way to connect with nature, teach them about patience and observation, and perhaps even discover a bit of luck along the way. Section 9. Integrating clover into your lawn. You can choose to have an all-clover lawn or integrate clover into your existing grass lawn. If you're starting from scratch, seeding with clover is a straightforward process. For existing lawns, overseeding with clover is a simple way to introduce this beneficial plant. When choosing a clover variety, consider your climate and soil type. White clover is a popular choice for its hardiness and adaptability. Microclover is a smaller variety that blends well with grass, creating a uniform look. Consult with your local garden center for recommendations based on your specific needs. Section 10. Weighing the pros and cons. Like any plant, clover has its pros and cons. While its benefits are numerous, it's important to consider the potential drawbacks before making a decision. Clover can be more susceptible to weeds than some grass varieties, requiring diligent weeding, especially in the early stages. Clover can also attract bees, which can be a concern for those with bee allergies. However, clover lawns are generally safe for children and pets. If you have concerns about bees, choose a low-growing clover variety or plant clover in areas of your yard with less foot traffic. Section 11. Embracing a greener future. As we become increasingly aware of our impact on the environment, it's essential to explore sustainable alternatives in all aspects of our lives, including our lawns. Clover lawns offer a compelling solution, providing numerous environmental benefits without compromising beauty or practicality. By choosing a clover lawn, you're making a conscious choice to reduce your environmental footprint, conserve water, support pollinators, and create a healthier planet for future generations. Embrace the beauty, practicality, and sustainability of clover lawns, and join the movement towards a greener future.